Every year, approximately 1 million snowbirds, including RVers like us, migrate from every corner of the continent to right here, Florida.
We all have our favorite gas stations, the one with the fastest pumps, the cleanest bathrooms, and all the best snacks.
But there's one glowing heart-shaped sign. When we see it off in the distance, we go, it's Love's! Since becoming RVers 4 years ago, we've driven out of our way many times, even holding our bladders just so that we can fill up at Love's.
So when they reached out to us and said, hey, do you want to test out our new RV sites? We said, we'd love to. I think there's like 650 Love's locations, and a couple years ago they started adding the RV sites to them. I think there's like 111 now, but this is gonna be our very first time staying at one, and we're gonna bring you along for the ride. You're gonna see exactly how it goes. So we actually booked this site online. You do everything through the app, and then when you show up, you just park. Hey, these are our sites. Okay, these are pretty cool. Well, this is home. You know, we've been to Love so many times. I don't think I ever thought I'd be actually living at one for the night before.
So we have water, electricity, and then a dump station.
My understanding is the utilities aren't on. You get an email and you simply click the check-in. You wanna do that? We can just check in right here.
Let's do it.
So we got a confirmation email, check me in, and we hit confirm check-in. The reservation is checked in. Oh! I heard something click. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
You want to see if it opens up?
Yeah.
I think that's what I heard. Am I just making that up, or did you hear it too?
Yeah, I heard it too. Yeah. There is an app where you can make reservations, check in to turn on your utilities, and a bunch of other little kind of nifty features that we'll talk about later. But for now, do you want to hook up our trailer and get some electricity?
Yeah.
AC cranking. So this RV stop that we're at is in Jacksonville, Florida. It's on the more basic side. It has full hookup, so water, electricity, and sewer. There are other types of RV stops. We went to one yesterday that's located in Georgia, and it was like a full-out campground that had a pickleball court, a splash pad for kids in the summertime, a communal fire pit, Love's branded fire pits at every single site.
Gated entry. Yeah, it was a big deal.
Even when we're not staying in an RV stop, we always try to prioritize going to Love's when we're filling up because they have wider lanes, which is helpful because we're a longer rig. In addition, they have RV parking sites over there, as well as an RV dump station, things like propane fill-up. So it's kind of like a one-stop shop for all of the RVers' needs.
Yeah, if you ever stop at gas stations with an RV, you know how coveted these in spots are because no one's gonna accidentally block you in. But if you'll notice, there's more than enough space to drive in between the two pumps when there's already two cars at them right there. They really make these gas stations for RVers, truckers, anyone with big rigs.
Even though this is on the more simpler side of the RV stops that Love's has, there's still quite a few features, including something that I'm very excited to use because we have been putting off laundry for a long time. So let's go hit the laundry facilities. So we got our laundry. We also have what we lovingly refer to as our quarter sock.
Where else are you supposed to keep your quarters? I think we're gonna go through the back where the truckers go in because I'm a little too self-conscious about literally bringing my dirty laundry in through the front door of a gas station. I suppose a good husband would offer to carry the laundry. Do you need me to get that?
I got it, I got most.
Okay, hey. Washer, dryer, washer, dryer, washer. So 3 sets of water. That's nice.
That's nice.
That's really cheap. $3 for a load? That's cool. And they take credit.
Nice.
Nice.
Justin is the official laundry doer, so I actually have no idea whether $3 is cheap or not.
Normally, laundry is a big to-do. First, we have to like use Google Maps to find a laundry place that has a big enough lot where we can park our RV. But yeah, you can do it all. You can pay with coins, you can pay with card.
Nothing says romantic dinner other than Bojangles and the lights of loves reflected into the pond over there. We got a candle. We're gonna go get some Bojangles, and then we're gonna enjoy the last rays of sun in beautiful Jacksonville, Florida.
All right, let's go get some food. It's bow time. Look at this, guys. I have a Love's lighter. We've got our little Bojangles feast. How fun is that?
So we are going to sit, enjoy ourselves a beverage and some Bojangles and the sweet sounds of a Love's.
Oh. Oh. How you doing, Tweepy?
So we're sitting here enjoying our dinner, and our person that's staying next to us mentioned that they've stayed at a Love's RV stop before, and that they really like it because if they're kind of making a long haul drive, they just kind of pull off the highway, park, and then kind of go in the morning. When we do stay at campsites, one of like my big pain points is we're just tired when we get there usually, and we kind of just want to check in, but oftentimes you have to go through this like rigmarole of giving like your name, your address, your phone number, how long your thing, what color underwear you're wearing, like just this whole long shebang. And it's very nice here that you just park, click a button on the app, and then you're ready to go back on the highway.
Yeah, you don't even have to talk to anyone. It's about as easy as it gets. Okay, laundry was a success. I'm gonna let you in on a very intimate tradition that we have on laundry day. Every time I gather hot laundry, I dump it all over Jess because she loves being hot. Hey!
Hey.
How you doing? You typing away?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Are you doing something weird?
No. Oh, can you get that thing for me right there? More.
So clean. This is my happy place.
Yeah.
Covered in clean hot laundry.
Do you love hot laundry?
No, I don't love it. I loves it. To be honest, I was a little bit worried about how well I'd sleep. We're pretty close to the gas pumps, and then there is a roadway nearby. I'm a pretty light sleeper, but we just turned on the fan on our air conditioning.
And we slept great.
Yeah, you couldn't hear anything. I'm gonna go take a shower. So we have a shower in our RV, but there's lots of RVers who obviously don't, like van lifers, for example. And also my dad was a truck driver for like 50 years, so I've always wanted to take a shower at a Love's, and I never had the opportunity to. So now is the time to live out my wildest trucker fantasies. So we thought this would be a perfect time to kind of just show you some of the things that the app does. We legitimately stop at Love's all the time to get gas. You can get 10 cents off gas and then 25 cents off diesel just by using the app. So I mean, why wouldn't you use it?
So you can actually see if there's a line for the showers through the app, and we also thought this would be a good time to show you the booking process for the site. If you're traveling on the road and you want to book a campsite, you simply hit this little button right here for stores. You can actually filter by locations just for the ones that have RV stops, or you can hit this little button here that zooms into where we are. You notice if we scroll, you can see all of the information about this specific stop, including its prices for gas, store operations. Look at this. We can see how busy the showers are right now. You don't need to go in and talk to anyone, and you simply hit shower check-in. They'll send you a notification through your phone when your shower is ready. If we keep scrolling down, it shows you all of the different amenities that are each RV stop. So in addition to the private showers, this one has laundry facilities, propane refill, a dump station. Each individual site has a dump station, but if you're just pulling through and want to dump, you can do that too. And to reserve it, you simply hit this reserve RV hookup button. You can see all of the site information. And then if you scroll down, you can check availability. All of the sites that are available are highlighted in green. I can tap on the site that I want, and it shows me a picture of the site. So I know exactly what it's gonna look like and what kind of amenities it has. And once you've got everything entered in, it takes you to the payment screen where you enter your credit card information and you're done.
I just got a notification that my shower is ready, so I'm going to go live out my Love Shower streams, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey.
Whenever I hear people say they've got a shower ready at a gas station, I'm always a little jealous.
It sounds kind of fun, right?
Yeah, it does sound kind of fun. This is exciting. So they give you a PIN code on your piece of paper.
You get your own private stall.
Wow, this is like, I expected something maybe a quarter this size.
Oh, they also have like a shower gel. They're not labeled, but.
Oh, you don't even have to bring your own soap and stuff.
Man.
Oh, you don't have to bring towels.
So clean, too.
That's really cool. They dry the floor so you don't have to step on a wet floor.
All right, well, I'm about to take a shower, so kicking you
Okay.
out.
Oh, I can't stay?
No.
Okay. Actually, I think that's the chime for my shower, so perfect timing. I'll see you back in the trailer?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're rested, laundered, clean, and ready to hit the road.
We still have several hours of driving ahead of us, but lucky for us, we're gonna be in Florida for the next couple of months. So if you wanna follow along with those adventures, be sure to subscribe. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.